Hello, my name is Tom Baxter, personal trainer, and I'm stoked here today to be bringing you a continuation of our TRX high intensity interval training. Today's focus is on explosive chest. So you may need to make sure that you're able to perform these exercises. We'll do another video which is kind of more beginner stuff. Today's more an advanced chest, explosive chest workout. So what we're going to do is show you 4 exercises. Again, super simple. We'll put these movements back to back. If you need about 30 seconds rest in between them, that's cool. Take an additional around 90 seconds to 2-minute rest at the end, and then you can repeat these 3 or 4 sets depending on how much time you have. You can be done this in about 20 minutes, having a great chest, all the push exercises, so chest, anterior delts, getting a great workout from this, as well as a bit of core. Okay, first exercise set up with the hands in the straps, taking your body almost to flat. You maybe want to start at about a 20 or 30 degree incline, and we're going to go into our chest fly position. So really slow and controlled, about 3 or 4 seconds on the eccentric. So that's when we're lengthening the muscles and we're lowering our body down. And then again, maybe 3 seconds squeezes on the way back up, keeping a slight bend in the elbow, really focusing that squeeze and contraction at the top. All right, this one we're set up both hands in one handle, and we're gonna stand 90 degrees, kind of side on to the anchor point, legs spread, one in front, one behind, and we're gonna be extending that, pushing the hands away from us. Again, about 10 to 12 per side on this one. Okay, beautiful. Now for the TRX Pushup Plyos. So we're gonna have the feet in the straps, hands on the ground. We're gonna get set up strong in the quads, engaging the glutes and the stomach muscles. As we lower, we're going down nice and steady, and then we're exploding ourselves back up, and we're gonna tuck the knees in and either slap the hands onto the knees, or you can clap in between, whatever way you're feeling more confident with that. Trying to get as many clap push-ups as you can, and then just finish out with a good pump on your push-ups to finish. Finally, this is a nice little tweak that you can do just to isometrically contract the muscle. So that's without any movement of the joint. You're just squeezing those hands together as hard as you can. And really you can see the striations on my chest, pec major, getting a really good pump on this. So holding for about 20 seconds at the end to just really burn those muscle fibers. Awesome, guys. So I want to know how you did with this one. I'm sure you got a pretty swollen chest. 3 to 4 rounds is really good. That's probably ample to get that muscle pump. So we'd love to hear what you thought of it. And we can be definitely showing you some more beginner exercises, which we'll be following up with. But I've had some requests to get this advanced chest exercises out. So guys, thanks for joining. We love you supporting us and following us. We'd love to hear what you like, and we'll be trying to deliver what we can.